Healthy Mediterranean chickpea salad combines all my favorite fresh vegetables in one delicious bite. You will need 15 ounces of garbanzo beans, rinsed and drained well, 1 cup of chopped cucumbers, a half cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of mixed bell peppers, a 1/4 cup of olives, 1 red onion sliced, and a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. For the dressing, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Add feta cheese and enjoy. Complete instructions are in the description below this recipe.